So once again, good morning, students. Today we will discuss first lesson of chemistry, that is matter around us. Here, first of all, we come to know what is matter. All of you know that anything that have mass, anything that have mass occupy a space and offer resistance and offer resistance is called matter. Okay. Now, on the basis of physical property, this matter is divided on the two characteristics. So, on the basis of physical properties, matter is divided into three parts. Matter is divided into three parts. What are that? Number one is solid. Number two is liquid. Number three is gas. Today, fourth and fifth state is also known. These three parts or three states. Okay, but today two more states are there. Today, two more states are there. More states of matter are there. क्या है दो और मैटर? नंबर वन इज plasma. Fourth, that is called fourth state, plasma. And number five is called
Bose-Einstein condensate.
Condensate, yes. So fourth state क्या है बेटा? प्लाज्मा. एंड फिफ्थ स्टेट क्या है? बोस आइंस्टीन कंडेंसेट. So today five states of a matter are present on the basis of physical property. Now that here this all the states of matter on the basis of physical property we will study in the chapter 1, that is matter around us, and this matter is again divided on the basis of chemical properties. On the basis of chemical properties, मैटर कितने प्रकार का है? मैटर जो है वो थ्री टाइप्स है. दैट इज नंबर वन इज एलिमेंट. नंबर सेकेंड इज कंपाउंड. नंबर थ्री इज मिक्सचर. So yes, the types of matter on the basis of chemical properties, this parts we have to study in the lesson 2. In the first chapter, that is matter around us, we have to study the classification of matters or properties of matters on the basis of only physical properties. So one common thing, that matter, either it is solid, liquid, gas, Bose-Einstein condensate, element, mixture, compound, anything, all these matters are made up of small particles. That small particles are called a atom or molecule. The small particle of which the matter is made up of, the small particle of which matter is made up of क्या है, आर आर नंबर 1 क्या हो सकता है, एटम, या और नंबर 2 क्या हो सकता है, मॉलिक्यूल. So all the substance, solid, liquid, gas, plasma, element, mixture, compound, everything is made up of a small particles, either atom or molecule. So first of all, we come to know what are these atoms and what are the molecules. Okay. So first of all, you see atom. What is atom? And who gave the term atom? See, atom क्या है? Atom is the smallest particle of matter. A smallest particle of matter which do not exist, which do not exist in the free state, but take part in the chemical reaction. Take part in the chemical reaction which do not exist. For example, beta, if you are going to react hydrogen and oxygen, so hydrogen you will take hydrogen, you cannot take as a molecule, you will take hydrogen as a molecule. Sorry, we cannot take hydrogen as an atom, we take hydrogen as a molecule H2. In the same way also we will take oxygen in the form of molecule. It is in the molecule because this both thing, any matter do not, this atom do not exist in the free state. Then what happened during this reaction, this hydrogen and hydrogen breaks down. Okay, this breaks down and now it has become क्या हो गया है ये, this is one molecule atom and this is one molecule, sorry, one atom. In the same way oxygen also breaks down, oxygen, this is one atom, this is one atom. So like this they breaks and now it comes in the atomic state, and this atom क्या करेगा, it takes part in the chemical reaction. In the chemical reaction this molecule do not take part in the chemical reaction. This is clear that atom do not exist, but it take part in the chemical reaction. During chemical reaction, molecule atoms present in the molecules breaks. It comes in the form of atom, and then after rearrangement, new molecule formation takes place. So second one is molecule. क्या molecule क्या है? This is the smallest particle. क्या है? A smallest particle. Which exist in the free state but do not take part in the chemical reaction, do not take part okay. So this is atom and this is molecules. Clear? Atom do not exist in the free state, but molecules exist in the free state. And atom do not atom take part in the chemical reaction, but molecule do not take part in the chemical reaction. So this is the definition of a atom and a molecule. Now, all the matter, either it is solid, liquid or gas, plasma, any matter, there is some similarities of particles of similarities of matter. that all matters, what are the common of all the matters? So all the matters, common of all the matters, all the form of matter, common points क्या क्या है बेटा? Common points. Number one, all the matters are made up of a small particles called atom or molecule. ठीक है, ये सभी कहो जो भी है in this world, every matter which have mass, which occupy a space, offer resistance, उसको क्या कहेंगे? matter. And all the matters have made up of a small particles, that a small particles क्या हो सकता है? atom and a molecule. Okay, now come to see the characteristics of particles of matter. Characteristics of particles of matter. Characteristics of particles of matter. All of you know that matter is made up of a small particles. So that a small particles either it may be क्या हो सकता है? अगर molecules और atom हो सकता है. So that molecules and atom has some characteristics in which first one is that particles of matter is very very small. Particles of matter is very very small. Particles of matter is very very small. Second part, particles of matter have a space between them. Particles, one by one, let me to explain by one activity. Particles of matter is very very small. To show this, we can do activity. What is the activity? Very simple activity. Activity one here. See, take 100 ml beaker. Okay, 100 ml beaker. What is the capacity of this beaker? 100 ml. यहाँ तक कितना हमने पानी लिया है? 100 ml. And then put 2 or 3 small crystals. A small crystal like this, a small crystals. 2 crystals only you take. This crystal क्या चीज का बना है बेटा? This is the crystal of potassium permanganate. ये क्या है? Crystal of KMnO4. Not purple. So purple pink color it has. So one, if you are not understanding, you can take example sugar. You take a 2 particles of sugar from your pot. उसी तरह से उतना ही उससे भी छोटा, सुगर से भी छोटा 2 कण ले लेते हैं किस चीज का? पोटासियम परमैंगनेट का. एंड दिस बोथ पोटासियम परमैंगनेट जो पार्टिकल्स है, क्रिस्टल है, वी आर एडिंग देम एंड स्टीयर इट विथ द ग्लास रॉड. आप क्या पाएंगे? यू विल फाउंड दैट दिस कलर बिकम डार्क पर्पल. इसका रंग कैसा हो गया? इन द फर्स्ट कंडीशन ये कैसा बन गया? डार्क पर्पल हो गया. देन हो गया, हमने 2 crystals only. The size of this crystal is very small here, like the crystal of particles of sugar. बहुत छोटा है, तो उसको हमने 100 ml पानी में मिक्स किए बेटा. देन पूरा का पूरा जो पानी कैसा हो गया? डार्क पर्पल हो गया. अभी सेकेंड टैंक्स में क्या करेंगे? अगेन वी आर टेकिंग अ बीकर, 100 ml बीकर, जिसमें हमने क्या करेंगे? 90 ml. only we will put the water up to 90 ml. 90 ml plain water we will take and 10 ml take this solution from the test tube 1 beaker 1. इससे यहाँ पर हमने कितना ट्रांसफर किया? only 10 ml we are transferring. And then again the volume कितना हो जाएगा? 100 ml. टोटल 100 ml हो गया. 90 ml से कितना हो गया? 100 ml. And stir it again with a glass. क्या कर देंगे? अच्छे से घोल देंगे. You will again found that here water also become colored. यहाँ भी colored हो गया. Now you repeat this activity again. Take 100 ml, 90 ml. Sorry, 90 ml water you take. 90 ml क्या लेना है, फ्रेश वाटर, प्लेन वाटर, एंड अगेन ऐड 10 ml solution from test beaker to here again volume here again कितना हो जाएगा 100 ml, and again you will see color. Like this you repeat 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, you will find again and again water becoming colored, but the color is little less. Dark color here, very dark color, here little less dark color, in the third less dark. Like this the color become less, but the water still become colored up to 8 times, 9 times. Do you know why this happens? This happens because this two crystal only you have added, color material only 2 crystals you have added. This 2 crystal, in this 2 crystal, I don't know how many millions of KMnO4 particles are there. ये जो दो छोटा जो क्रिस्टल लिए थे इसमें मिलियन, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी मिलियंस ऑफ KMnO4 पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट था. ये छोटा सा साइज में मिलियंस ऑफ KMnO4 का पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट था. तो जब मिलियन ऑफ पार्टिकल्स का साइज इतना बड़ा, तो वन पार्टिकल का साइज कितना बड़ा बेटा, बहुत छोटा, ठीक है ना. मिलियंस ऑफ पार्टिकल्स का साइज कितना मिल रहा है, ओनली दिस मच. So one particles का size will be very very small. So this properties, characteristics of particles of matter, that the particles of matter is very very small, is proved here by the activity. Now second characteristics of particles of matter क्या है? Particles of matter have a space between them. Second क्या लिखेंगे? Particles of matter have a space between them. Have a space between them. ठीक है, जो पार्टिकल्स है उसके बीच में क्या है, स्पेस है. इसके लिए एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. क्या? We again take a beaker and here again 100 ml water. कितना लिया हमने? 100 ml water. एंड क्या कर रहे हैं? मार्क द लेवल ऑफ वाटर. यहां हमने मार्क लगा दिया, दैट इज वाटर का लेवल कहां है, यहां पर है. ठीक है. अगेन वी आर एडिंग 2 स्पून. यहां पर हमने क्या लगा, मिक्स कर रहे हैं 2 स्पून सॉल्ट और शुगर. 2 स्पून शुगर, 2 स्पून शुगर हमने इसमें ऐड कर दिया. As we are adding this solid sugar, यहाँ पर क्या होगा, इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. This solid sugar get collected here and then water level also increase. जैसे देखेंगे water level यहाँ से कहाँ आ गया, यहाँ आ गया. Because solid this sugar 2 spoon or 3 spoon you have added, so that occupy a space because all the matters, this sugar is also matter, that will also occupy the space. So the water level in the beginning is guys. Okay, now you take a glass rod and with the help of this glass rod, stir it, mix it, so that all the sugar particles क्या हो, and again mark the, look the level. Again when all this sugar get dissolved there beta, you will find the water of level has reached to the original level. पहले जहां था पानी का लेवल वहीं आ गया. ठीक है. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? As we are adding the sugar, the level of water is not increasing after dissolving there. This happens, see, क्यों? In this water, suppose water molecules इस तरह से present था. ठीक है. Water molecules इस तरह से क्या है, present है. Now in this water molecule, are you looking, there is a space. So in this space, द शुगर पार्टिकल्स क्या ले लिया, अपना जगह ऑक्युपाई कर लिया. ये जो स्पेस है, इसी स्पेस में पानी का जो लेवल है, पार्टिकल्स जो था वहीं पर है, और पानी के पार्टिकल्स के बीच बीच में जो ये स्पेस है, इस स्पेस में कौन जगह ले लिया, दैट इज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ शुगर. occupy the space between the particles of the water. तो इसके कारण सुगर तो अलग से इकट्ठा है नहीं, यहाँ पर आपने शुरू में क्यों भर गया था, क्योंकि ऑल द सुगर्स आर कलेक्टेड देयर, सो इतना दूर तक का जगह शुगर छेक लिया, इसलिए पानी का लेवल उठ गया. बट व्हेन वी मिक्स अप, this sugar is also made up of very very small particles, and water is also made up of small particles. In between the particles of water there was a space, and that space was occupied by the particles of the sugar. That's why level of water is not increasing. So these parts of the characteristics of the particles, that particles of matter have a space between them, prove. But this space is different in the different matters of the state. Like solid, in the solid the space between the particles is negligible, नहीं के बराबर है, but in the liquid very little space है, so that it slide over each other. Okay, but in the gas the particle space between the particles are very enough. Suppose one particle is there, gas particles, then another will be there. So much spaces are there in the particles of between the particles of gases, but in solid negligible. Clear? So these characteristics also you understood. Now come to the third characteristics. Particles of matter are constantly moving. Particles of matter are constantly moving. ठीक है, particles of matter are constantly moving. For this also you understand by an activity that you take a incense stick, ठीक है, you burn it in the puja ghar, you are burn. In the other room, dining room, study room or kitchen, if you are there, the fragrance of this burning fragrance of this burning incense stick you will get in your drawing room, in the kitchen or everywhere in the room if you are burning it in the puja room. Do you know why? Because when it burns, it changes into gaseous state, and gaseous states, in the gaseous state, particles are constantly moving. Even in the solid also, beta, solid also, particles of solid also vibrate only on their own position. एक ही position, they are not changing. Particles of solid do not changing their position. On the same position, it is vibrating. To and fro motion of the particles is called vibration. So in the solid also particles are vibrating. इस तरह से एक बार इधर एक बार इधर जा रहे हैं. In the liquid, the particles can move very smoothly. You can do this one by activity. कैसे? You take a glass beaker or a glass. You take water there and add one drop of ink. एक drop आप ink डालिए. You will observe that ink is moving towards the water. इस तरह से ink छितर रहा है. And even without mixing, without disturbing, after 5-10 minutes, you will see whole water become blue. This happens why? Because particles of the ink is moving towards the water and water particles is moving towards the ink, and both are constantly moving. That's why this whole solution become blue. So particles of matter are constantly moving. The motion of the particles depend upon the states of matter. That is, in the solid, the motion of the particles is very slow, means particles is only vibrating on their own position. But in the liquid, particles can go from one place to another place, and in the gas, it is very, very fast. Particles are moving very fast. And this happens, do you know why? Due to the particles, according to kinetic theory of matter, in this world, each and every particles have energy. एक डस्ट पार्टिकल्स है, दे ऑल्सो वाइब्रेट. ऑल्सो आप देखते होंगे जब खिड़की या कुछ से थोड़ा सा लाइट आता है, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स डांस करते रहते हैं जिग जाग मोशन में. दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रोनियन मोशन. ठीक है. सो ये ब्रोनियन मोशन जो है, और ये जो यहाँ पर जो आपको अगरबत्ती का जो स्मेल गया हर जगह, वो किसके द्वारा गया? डिफ्यूजन के द्वारा गया. सो यहाँ से ये जो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर जो है और आर कॉन्स्टेंटली मूविंग, ये दो एक्टिविटी से, इसका दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से पता चलता है. वन क्या है? डिफ्यूजन, एंड सेकेंड वन क्या है, ब्रोनियन मोशन। ठीक है, डिफ्यूजन आप जान रहे हैं, मूवमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन जाएगा until यूनिफॉर्म कंसंट्रेशन इज अचीव्ड। एंड ब्रोनियन मोशन जो है, ये रॉबर्ट ब्राउन जिन्होंने न्यूक्लियस का खोज किया था बेटा, उन्होंने एक स्लाइड लिया, इस स्लाइड पर एक ड्रॉप पानी डाला और इसके ऊपर पोलन ग्रेन्स डाल दिए, फूल का पराग। And when he observed under the microscope, he looks that particles are haphazardly moving here, there, no any direction, fit direction it has. So this haphazard movement, zigzag motion of the particles of the matter is called क्या कहलाया, उन्हीं के नाम पर इसका क्या नाम दे दिया गया, Brownian motion. So this diffusion and Brownian motion is saying that particles of matter are constantly moving and particles of matter के पास क्या होता है, एनर्जी। मोशन के बिना एनर्जी का कोई पार्टिकल्स मूव नहीं कर सकता है। सो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर के पास क्या होता है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी होता है। और उस वो जो एनर्जी है डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर लाइक सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स के पास ये एनर्जी बहुत लेस है, लिक्विड में उससे ज्यादा है और गैस में सबसे ज्यादा होता है एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी। ठीक है, सो थर्ड है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर, दैट इज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर कॉन्स्टेंटली मूविंग। आपको समझ में आता है किसके द्वारा, एक डिफ्यूजन के द्वारा, एंड सेकेंड जो है किसके द्वारा आता है, ब्रोनियन मोशन के द्वारा। नेक्स्ट जो है प्रॉपर्टीज फोर्थ, दैट इज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर। फोर्थ नंबर जो है क्या है बेटा, particles of matter attract each other, attract each other. This also you can do by activity. आप ले लीजिए एक आयरन का, लोहा का क्या ले लीजिए, एक लोहा का रॉड ले लीजिए या तार, ये क्या है, आयरन रॉड है। सेकेंड यू टेक क्यूब्स ऑफ आइस क्यूब्स, ये क्या लिया बेटा, आइस क्यूब। एंड थर्ड क्या ले लीजिए, चौक पीस, एक स्कूल में चौक है वो चौक पीस ले लेंगे। ठीक है, एंड टेक वन हैमर, हथौड़ा। हाँ, पुट इट ऑन द हार्ड सरफेस लाइक स्टोन वगैरह पर, पत्थर पर रख दीजिए, घर में आपका सिलबट्टा होगा उस पर भी रख दीजिए। एंड यू हैमर इट, हाँ, या लकड़ी के ऊपर भी रख सकते हैं, ज्यादा पत्थर पर ही रखना अच्छा होगा। और इसको हैमर कीजिए बार बार, एक हथौड़ा। अगेन यू पुट सेकेंड थर्ड लाइक दिस, यू आर breaking, you break, start to breaking, you will find even after 10 or 12 hathoda hammering, you are not able to break the iron piece. Okay, do you know why? Because this iron is also made up of small particles, and these particles are attracting each other, so they are not leaving, one particles is not allowing other particles to go away. So that's why we are not able to break this the iron rod. ठीक है, ice cubes में after putting one hammer it will breaks into many pieces. That happens because here the क्या है, जो force of attraction है particles के बीच में वो इसके अपेक्षा यहाँ क्या है, कम है। But in the chalk, as you are putting one hammer, they break into many pieces. This showing that in this chalk is also made up of a small particle. ठीक है, and the particles of chalk also attracting, but here the force of attraction between the particles of the chalk is less compared to ice also. So stronger force of attraction between the particles is here iron rod than in the ice cube and than in the chalk piece. So this activity indicating that particles of matter attract each other, but the force of attraction between the particles is different in the solid, liquid and gas. The force of attraction between the solid is highest, in the liquid it is less, and in the gas it is very negligible. Force of attraction is not there. So okay, go bye.